today I'm wearing the coordinates that we made together in the first ever Coord Mashup challenge, Purple and Bunny. So this dress is purple and it's from Metamorphose Tant de Fille. The blouse I'm wearing very under is from Hell Bunny, and on top of that I'm wearing actually a dress from Ghost Girl Goods. The wig is from Lock Shop. I have this head bow here and this necklace from Creative Meats. This is from Claire's, this is from Claire's, this is from Chocomint, this is from Paris Kids. Those small here are from Claire's. Those are from Angelic Pretty. This is from Kawaii Zombie. The tights and shoes are from Fluffy Tory. This is from Baby the Stars Shine Bright. This belt is, I don't remember, it's a vintage brand. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, everybody can be kawaii. Bye bye!